Hello everyone. First of all, introduce myself. My name is Rahul Patil, and today's video topic name is wrapper classes in Java. And today's date is 22 August 2022. Wrapper classes. In Java wrapper classes, it can provide the mechanism to provide the convert the object to primitive data into object and object into primitive type. So the and the so the and the S2 Java 2 standard edition 5.0.5, the unboxing and autoboxing they can convert the primitive 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 type to object and object into primitive is automatically. The unboxing the converting the converts the this converts automatically is also the converting automatically is also called as unboxing and autoboxing. And uh, use wrapper classes in Java. The Java is object oriented programming language, so we can need to deal with object and like many object likes many synchronization, and serialization Java util packages etc. First one is change the value of methods. We can pass the primitive into object. They can not change the original value. We can pass the primitive to object through the we can first one we can pass the value. Java supports the only call by value. We can pass the value of primitive type, so they cannot change the original value. If we can pass the value with object, they can change the value. Synchronization. In synchronization, we work with object multithreading. Serialization is converted into primitive to strings to primitive, provide the serialization. And Java util packages. Java util package classes is util classes to objects. And last one is collection framework. In collection frameworks, it deals with object. It deals with object like vector, array list, linked list, etc. Autoboxing. The converting is automatically primitive to object and object to primitive is called as autoboxing. And unboxing, it is same as autoboxing is reverse. So this is a converting automatically object into primitive type and primitive type to object. Custom wrapper classes wrap the primitive types. Why we can say the custom wrapper classes? We can create class and the wrap the primitive data types, so it is called as custom wrapper classes. So the all from my side. Thank you.